Hey guys, it's Lisa with Thrive Vans. Hey, have you ever been hiking, getting ready to pull up to a trailhead, and you realize that no pets are allowed? And you have to leave your little co-pilot behind, your little furry co-pilot. And you are like, okay, well, maybe I'm gonna leave him here and maybe I'm not. But I'm here to tell you about a very cool gadget that will keep your furry friends safe and you get peace of mind as the dog owner. I'm so excited to share with you today the Waggle Pro. So in full disclosure, I just want you guys to know Waggle has sent us this unit, and I will give you my honest opinion at the end of this video. Here's my furry little friend. We'll call him Spot. We borrowed him for the shoot today. So let's get up into the van. I'm going to show you the Waggle Pro. So I'm going to share with you the features of the Waggle Pro, but I also will, at the very end, so stick around, share with you the pros and cons to this unit as well. So I love the sleek look about this, but I like the feature, and that is that you can take this out of your van and move it to your car. So all you have to do is disconnect your USB right here, and then push this tab back, and then pull that right out. So this is rechargeable, so you can take this into another vehicle. So if you have your furry friend with you and you're going grocery shopping and you're leaving your pet in your car, you can take this. This will last up to 4 to 5 days on this charge. So you can take it, move it to the other car, and then move it back to your van when you need it. So how this works is you would get the Waggle app on your phone. So Waggle is going to monitor the temperature in your van. If it gets too cold or too hot, it is going to send an alert to you. So how does it send it to you? It has built-in 4G through the Verizon network that it would send you an alert if there is any temperature drops or decreases or increases to the temperature. The next feature is humidity. If the humidity goes up or down in the van, this is a good thing to monitor for just mold in your van. You don't want, so if you need to go back to the van, open things up so that the humidity in here doesn't go too high, that's a good monitoring feature that I thought, whether you have a pet or not, that is a great feature to have in a van. When having a pet in a vehicle like this, you're obviously going to run some type of air conditioning, especially if it's a hot day. So picture this, you're out hiking and you've left your furry friend back in the van, and all of a sudden you get an alert that you have no power in the van. Therefore, the air conditioner is not running on low just like you left it. Or even if the temperature goes up in here, you will get an alert that it's too hot, it's getting warmer in the van, and that you need to come back to the van and check on your pet. So on the Waggle Pro, there is something that they have built in just for the Pro model, and that is geofencing. If your van moves for any reason, you get an alert. But this is a great security feature. People are always worried that something may get stolen or their van may get stolen. The Waggle Pro is going to take care of that for you. So what a great feature to have. So here's where Waggle Pro just gives you peace of mind all around. You could be out on that walk and you can just check in on the app and see the temperature in the vehicle, the humidity, and also the geofencing if anything has disrupted your van. Such a cool feature that no Wi-Fi is necessary to operate this. And the alerts are going to be sent to you via Verizon. But if Verizon is not your carrier, you're still going to get the updates. You're still going to get the alerts. So the unit here will use the Verizon network, but it doesn't matter what network you have. So these two dogs are, one's up in the front, one's in the back. So we kind of put it mid-ship here, and so it will monitor both. But let's just say both of the dogs were in the back. You'd probably want to place this monitor in the back of your van. That way it's going to just monitor that temperature in the garage for you. So the Waggle Pro runs on a subscription base. So you would have to pay the subscription. It starts at $12.50, but it is worth the peace of mind for your furry friends that you've left behind in the van. So in my opinion, I have 4 pros and 3 cons. So let me start with the pros. First of all, I love that it will monitor your temperature, your humidity, and your geofencing all in one. I love that about this unit. Second, I love that it's an added security feature, the geofencing, the GPS. I love that it will alert you if your van has been moved or if your van loses power. Third, I love that there's no Wi-Fi dependency. Haven't you ever been out, way out, boondocking from time to time? You have no Wi-Fi. This thing is going to run on no Wi-Fi at all. So you don't need Wi-Fi, and that's a huge plus when you're out in the middle of nowhere. So as long as you have cell service, you're fine. And fourth, I really love the design of this, and I love that it is so versatile that you could take it out and monitor it in another car for a few days if you're using another vehicle. So I love that about it. Okay, my 3 cons. Here we go. Number 1, it is a subscription-based service, so you do have to sign up. The subscriptions start at $12.50 a month, but again, peace of mind, you can't buy it. Number 2, Verizon is the carrier here. So if you are outside of the US, if you are outside of that coverage area, this unit will not work for you. And number 3, the price of the unit is about $300. So the upfront cost to me is a little high, but again, it's that peace of mind that you're buying, and I don't think you can put a price on peace of mind. So all in all, if you are serious about pet safety in your van or van security, I think this monitor is amazing. So if you're a person who travels with furry friends, whether that be cats or dogs, this is the unit for you. This will give you peace of mind, and also that security feature that is in a Pro, I think is so, so valuable. So check it out. We'll have a link below. If you want to see more videos like this about van life, the van product, van building, then make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Lisa with Thrive Vans. Thrive on!